So it's the evening, it's like 9:30, and I packed all my stuff. I want to go for a hike tomorrow, and I want to do the Hoher Fricken. I want to do the Hoher Fricken, and I will start from Farchant, and then I will see how far I get. And yeah, so I just packed my stuff and then probably get ready soon. I'm now getting ready for my hike. So, for example, I just spent 15 minutes putting sun cream on. So yeah, I'm gonna have coffee now and then gonna start driving. So I just arrived in Farchant at the Kuhfluchtweg, and that's gonna be the start of my hike today. And so yeah, let's go. It's 9 o'clock exactly, and I'm starting my little hike today, and I think it's gonna be really good. So we'll see. After just a couple meters, we reached this beautiful spring and waterfalls. So yeah, these waterfalls are really beautiful, part of the Kuhflucht, and it's just really, it's a dream. After just 40 minutes and 360 meters gain, I'm sweating like crazy. I can tell you this starts already so steep, but it's beautiful. Here we can see the Kramer, and there in the middle we have the Notkerspitz. And here again we have a beautiful view to Zugspitze. It's right in the middle. So I've been hiking now for an hour and 45 minutes, and I gained 900 meters, and I'm still in the forest, but very, very steep the whole way. I just heard somewhere stones falling down, so that's very reassuring. So yeah, so far it's pretty nice. Also very exhausting, but it's good. We're getting higher. It's still a beautiful view to the Wettersteingebirge. So an update. I've been now on this hike for exactly 2 hours and 1 minute, and I gained 1,000 meters of it, and I can tell you it's pretty exhausting. And this is the first time we can see the summit. It's right there. summit of the Hoher Fricken, and I'm going back now, and let's see where it takes me. So now I'm gonna follow that path towards Bischof. That's that summit right there. I'm losing height pretty fast, but it's a nice kind of rich path here, so this is pretty nice. Great view back to the Hoher Fricken. That's this green hill right there, and behind that you can see the Zugspitze. Yeah, there we can already see the summit of the Bischof. There it is. Second summit of this hike, Bischof. And of course, in our bag now, Wetterstein. So yeah, I can definitely recommend this hike. It's really beautiful. The view is incredible. I mean, you really do this one for the view, I think. And I didn't really see a lot of people. Like while I was hiking, I didn't really see many, maybe 2 or 3. So yeah, it's nice and quiet, and there's lots of routes. It's really nice. The hike itself maybe isn't like the most exciting. It's mostly like forest and stuff, but the view is incredible. So yeah. Dangers in the mountains include the sun, so always keep protected and reapply. So you could technically go down here. It's really steep, and then at some point you will follow this path, and then you can go all this ridge, and then you can come over there, which is Weilermer Hütte right there. And then this one, that's the Kottenkopf, which is the biggest, or the highest mountain here in the Estergebirge. So this was pretty nice, I think. I really enjoyed it. And yeah, it's 1 o'clock, so I'm probably gonna go down now. So yeah, see you next time. So now I'm already back down from the Bischof, and I'm gonna take now a right to the Oberausteig. So I'm following now this Oberausteig, which is not quite as steep as the other one. So this makes it a nice loop, and this is I think a good way down. So yeah, I'm back down again. And I only have to walk horizontally back to the car, but it was pretty nice. I didn't take as many videos on the way down because I was mostly running, so I couldn't really take the phone out. So yeah, it was pretty good, and hope you enjoyed the video. So this is the end. It was a beautiful day, hiking from Farchant über die Kuhflucht to Hoher Fricken, and then from Hoher Fricken on a nice ridge to the Bischof, and from the Bischof down via the Oberausteig, and and I'm back to Farchant. So that was it, and I really liked it, so I'll probably do that again soon.